Okay, if you were watching the charts last week when beta test number 1, the alert was sent out to all those who were on the beta test, it looked a little something like this. Now, again, to recap the trade, we are looking to sell crude GLCQ8 at $70.20 if the opportunity presents. Blue arrow says it does. Target was $69.75. Just hit that. If a momentum move takes you into the final target, tighten hard stop. And if it runs, you're in. And if it doesn't, your profit is intact. So we see the entry. We see the target. What we're about to see is the bottom of this leg. And then, wait for it. Boom, right there. That's your exit signal. And if I have not taught you that yet in a one-on-one mentoring session, book it, Dano, and I'll see you there.